Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to open DXF file formats, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we go back into the program here. Now, just so you guys know, there's going to be a mini-series on opening files. We've got about 4 different file formats to look at. So I'm just going to open here so you guys can have a look at what we have here. Now, obviously, if you know how to do this, you can just skip right along. But for those that have not, I'm going to just cover the basics of the formats and how to open them. So now under the formats, we've got your CAD files, which is .dxf or DWG. But they are more popular known for DXF. We've got PDF CAD files, PDF. Then we've got nesting files. This is kind of, in many ways, I would say the base format for this program. And then we've got Excel files, which is XLS. But yeah, so today we're going to be looking at the top one, which is DXF. But in order to do that, I'm just going to quickly make a small DXF file just so you guys can get an idea of what it is, and then we'll open it from here. So now I'm gonna head to a program called Inkscape. Now this is a free program. You can obviously use something like Adobe Illustrator or what's the other one, CorelDRAW, but in my case I'm using Inkscape. It is free. You can just download it, and it's rather simple to use and quite powerful in my opinion. So now I've opened a new Inkscape file, my document set, and this is obviously not a tutorial on how to use Inkscape. I'm just going to show you the basics of the DXF. So I'm going to make a basic shape here. So open this, make a little Mercedes or Ninja star here, whichever you prefer. And then I'm just going to quickly export this. So, actually no, we want to save it. So go to file, we go save or save as, and then what you want to do is under your save as type, I'll zoom in for you guys. By default, Inkscape's going to save it as a smart vector graphics, so this is nice if you want to edit it later again. So what we want to do here is we select, and from the drop down we want to go till we find DXF. So we've got this one here, desktop cutting plotter, AutoCAD DXF R14. I like to use the latest one. Select the file. As you can see, I've already saved a version. Say save, and then with the actual settings, I'm just going to leave everything as it is, as this is not how to make DXF files, but more just how to open them. We might in the future go into, or I do plan on going through a few different programs and making different file formats and that. Now, if we go back to the actual program, now we can select this DXF file. It's going to give us a few seconds as it reads, and then there we can see we've got a shape. You can say select it, and then what you might notice once we do this, and a reason why I did it this way around, in case you do it, so you get an idea of what's going to happen, so you are not too worried. So we've got the file here, all of that, and then I'm just going to put manual quantity 1, leave everything else as it is, and say add. Okay, normally what would happen if we did not get it this time is it will give you an error telling you must add a sheet first. Now I have already added a sheet and closed it, but if that happens, you can simply just first go new sheet, choose the dimensions you want, beam 1, and then we've got it here now. So now if I click add part, you can see we've got our DXF file here. So like I said, if it's the first time if you've opened the program and not opened a new sheet yet, then it will give you an error saying you should first create a new sheet, and then so if it gives you that error, which I would have liked it if it gave us that, but now unfortunately I already closed the sheet, so it registered as if there was a sheet. But yeah, so that is it on opening DXF files. It's rather simple. Just a quick recap. We want to go to this open file. You can also go to on top file, and then you go to open file. Click that. You navigate like normal Windows to your DXF file. If you do not see it, it might be that the file type or file of type is set to something else, like let's say PDF, then you won't see it. Just make sure you set to DXF, select the DXF, and then open it. But yeah, that is it on opening DXF files. Before we get to the next tutorial, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.